Alright, so if you're confused about what exactly your passion is, then you do not need to worry because this video is for you. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to go ahead and decode your passion. And this will help you to go ahead and live a better life and a fruitful life. So stay tuned. Alright, so welcome to the video. Now, before we go ahead and start figuring out how exactly we need to find our passion, first let us go ahead and understand why it is important to know your passion. Well, it is really important to know your passion because one, it helps you to grow in your life. When you're passionate about something, you actually grow in your life naturally. Another point is when you are passionate about something, all the obstacles that you face regarding that thing becomes very small and you can handle it very well. Let's take an example. If you want to learn a particular language that you are not passionate about, and then you are passionate about cricket and you are also learning cricket at the same time. Now, when you are not passionate about that language, any obstacle that you see while learning that language, probably that's pronunciation, probably that's big word or something like that, you will just give up right on the spot. But if the question is about cricket and if you're passionate about cricket, then here is what will happen. Every time when you fail in cricket, you will just go ahead and try to figure out why you failed and you will try to overcome that obstacles day in, day out, because that is something that you want from within, that is something that you are passionate about, and that is something that you really want to chase. Similarly, it also trains you to solve real life obstacles. And lastly, passion ignites the life in you. Passion fills your mind, body and soul with unlimited happiness, and everything around you becomes so beautiful and so worthy that you feel each and every moment of your life is very special. That's the power of passion. So let us go ahead and decode how exactly you can find your passion. But before that, here is something that I want to tell you. Whatever exercise that I'm telling you, try to take at least 4 to 5 days to finish these exercises, because the matter is of finding your passion and it is wise to spend around 4 to 5 days doing this kind of exercise. So without wasting time, let us begin. So first step is pretty simple. All you have to do is grab a pen and paper and write down everything that you find really interesting. Now don't limit yourself to career only or don't limit yourself to hobbies only. Write down anything and everything that you find interesting. Also do not limit yourself to the things that you found interesting recently. Go back to your childhood and figure out each and everything that you found interesting since the time you remember till today. And this could be anything. You do not have to limit yourself to any choices. It could be movies, it could be eating, it could be talking, it could be hanging around with friends, it could be writing, reading, playing, anything and everything that you find interesting. Just go ahead and make a list of all those things. Now trust me, it may look like very easy exercise, but actually it is not. It is very demanding and I would suggest you to spend at least one day doing this exercise, because you have to go all the way back to your childhood and find each and everything that has grabbed your attention. So I would recommend you spend at least one day doing this exercise. Step number 2. Now you have the list ready of each and everything that has grabbed your attention. But here is the thing. If you actually look at the list very closely, you will realize that most of the things are your hobby or only the things that you use as a mechanism to cope up with your stress. Many of the things are not your passion. For example, let us say you love watching movie, but you only watch movie when you are completely stressed or when you are totally free. You never watch movie because it's your passion. It is something that grabs your attention only when you are stressed or when you are free, and not always. What you have to do here is that remove everything that you feel that is your hobby or probably something that you use as a mechanism to beat stress, or something that you prefer doing when you are free but not your passion, and keep the remaining things in your list as it is. So for example, you made a list and you found 10 things that grabs your attention. Out of these 10 things, 6 things are something that you only do for hobby or just to cope up with stress. You have to remove all this thing and keep the remaining 4 things as it is. These are not your passion, but these are also not your hobby. These are beyond hobby but less than passion. Let us go ahead and move to step number 3. Step number 3. Now you have list of 4 important things those really matters to you. All you have to do is gauge your feeling about those things. How exactly you feel when you do those things. For this, you need to ask yourself these questions. How exactly is my energy mentally, physically and emotionally when I do these particular things? Can I do these things 24/7 or forever? Does it make me happy and am I really good at it? Now here is the thing. Out of remaining 4, all the things that gives you positive answer for the questions you have asked is something that you need to keep, and remaining things you need to remove from the list. So let's say out of these 4, if you have positive answers for 2 of these things, that is for 2 of these things, you have high energy when you do it, you are really happy about it, you are also good at it, and you are also able to do it forever. You need to keep these things in your list, and you have to remove the remaining 2 things because these are of no use anymore. Your passion is very close to the remaining of 2 things. Now we have not yet decoded your passion, but we are very close to it. Let us go ahead and see what exactly step number 4 says. So step number 4 and the last step is that you are left with 2 things. You need to ask yourself this question. Out of these 2 things, what is the thing that I'm ready to do selflessly without any monetary benefit or benefit of any other kind? So technically what you are doing is that you are trying to figure out what you are ready to do without any attachment or any other kind of benefits. Something that you feel like doing without getting anything in return. Something that you want to do willingly, irrespective of whatever the outcome or the result is. And the answer that you get is your passion, because that fills life inside you, that gives you extra dose of energy, and you really don't care about the results or the outcome or the benefit. Hence this is your passion. But there is one more thing that you need to do before you confirm this thing, and that is do this thing daily for 5 minutes for at least 1 week and see the feeling. It is very important to serve your passion, and it is very important to know it not only theoretically but also practically. So it is wise, go ahead and take some action for at least 1 week. And trust me, if you are really passionate about something, it will force you to take action and you will figure out the way of doing it daily. So go ahead and do this practically on daily basis and see how you feel about what you are doing. If you really feel full of life, then this is your passion. Go ahead and live it, because this is very important aspect of your life and it will give you lots and lots of energy and happiness all around. So that's all about passion. Now if you have taken the steps and if you have figured out what exactly your passion is, then drop a comment below and share your passion with the world. Also, there might be someone who has similar interest as yours, and if you have figured out your passion and if they are asking you some question in the comments below, then just go ahead and be their mentor and help them out. That will be great of you. So if you like the video, then just go ahead and share it with as many people as you can. Also, if you want to see similar videos in future, then do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you are notified as soon as I upload my new videos. Thanks once again for watching. My name is Samir. Until we meet next, stay awesome.